flutter kick. Okay, we're gonna lay back down on the ground. Roll down, always pushing the spine in by drawing your belly button to your spine. So that's gonna engage your core. Okay, for flutter kicks, for the intermediate version of these, I want you to start with your feet at an angle here, and you're going to slowly go back and forth. Now from my dance days, I've got my, I automatically take and kind of go to 5th position. That's okay. And you're going here, back and forth, really tightening through your legs. So it's a nice little quad workout, but you're also engaging your core. And that's where the real magic comes in, is when you push down and you both have your legs working with that core engaged. I also like to have my hips just a little bit rolled under. Okay, so that is a flutter